another exciting project. We have designed a remote control IoT system for virtual production studio, enabling precise camera positioning for professional video production. This smart system uses 3 Nema 17-stepper motors, controlled by an ESP32 to move the camera to 6 predefined positions with the perfect angle and speed. Users can control the camera using Bluetooth from a tablet or remotely via the Blynk app from anywhere in the world. For local control, we designed an intuitive interface using the Bluetooth Electronics app. Users can simply select a predefined camera position with a single tap. The system automatically moves the camera smoothly to the desired location, making it easier than ever to capture the perfect shot. For global access, the system is integrated with the Blynk app. Through this interface, users can select a predefined position or manually adjust the camera using forward and backward buttons for each motor. This ensures seamless control from anywhere in the world, making remote content creation more efficient. The heart of this system is an ESP32 microcontroller, managing 3 Nema 17-stepper motors via TB6600 stepper drivers. The system is equipped with 3 limit switches to prevent collisions and enhance operational safety. With this intelligent setup, Virtual Production Studio can achieve high-precision camera movements for professional-grade filming. If you enjoyed this project, visit www.arduinoexpert.com to explore more innovative solutions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.